Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? My voice sounds a little bit weird. I think it's I think it's for a really dumb reason. My brother came over last night and we had drinks and stuff and hung out. And I don't blame him in any way, shape, or form. This is just my front door is stupid. But when he left, he didn't shut the front door. So when I woke up this morning, the humidity in my house is gone and everything was freezing. So I suspect that is related to why my voice sounds weird. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. Oh, we got to say the date first, right? It is Saturday, the 26th of February, and we are back for yet another stream in 2022. The 6th day in a row, something like that. But welcome back. Good to see you all again. Did you pass out with the front door open? Yeah, I went to bed with the front door open. Oh, I didn't know it was open. Because when I walked into the living room to turn off my switch for the night, it appeared closed, but it must not have been. Anyway, let me say hi to everyone who was here. We had a bunch of chat before stream started. Jas, Lucy, Beldothis, D-Dels, Jonas Pammer, also here before stream started. I don't actually know who was first today because I screwed up the bot start and the stream start, whatever. It was one of you. Fight amongst yourselves for who it was. Nurum is also here. Hello, hello. Just rewrite Java and Rust. Drunk Time Lord. Hello, hello. Fixter Jake. How's it going? On Nightly. Good to see you again. Beldothis is here, who is first in premium chat. S1 Cube, welcome back. Hello, hello. Isa, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Synod, good to see you again. Hello, hello. Who else is here? Andy Monkey's also here. And Day Deemed. Welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Okay, so the plan for today is to try and port one of the pre-commit.ci lambdas to Rust just for the lulz and to see if it maybe is faster. I think it might be in some ways, but maybe not in ways that matter because I think it's mostly spending its time in I/O. But we'll find out by porting it and seeing what happens. Snapshot, hello, hello. Good to see you again. Right. I can close out of this. Oh. Do one right now. We won't. Yeah, we don't need to see my repetitive Pokemon playing. Anyway, so pre-commit.ci. We are going to try and port the auto updater periodic to Roost to see what it's like. So I stopped debating chat on not doing it. Anyway. Oh, that's the wrong one. And the reason we're picking this one is it is the slowest one at the moment, and it is the simplest one at the moment. Nice when those things work out, right? It literally just does kind of one simple thing. Handler. Yeah, so it does a select star, and then it puts them into SQS. That's it. That's basically what it does. Roost and roost. Yeah. I also think that maybe I could pipeline these and then it would be faster. Right now, I think this, let's see. Maybe I already did this. Periodic data install, get all. Is this paginated? Yeah, session generator. But is this a generator? Impl alias KV store. I will be getting rid of the local implementation, I guess. Yes, so this is also a generator. Sadly, the paginator uses the ugly data format, so we implement our own. Well, that's gonna be annoying. Manda XZ, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well on this Saturday. Are you going to Roost, Anthonk? It's a German city and there's a Europa Park nearby. Really? Tarfoon, hello. Okay, so I don't think I have Rust C or Cargo installed at the moment, so we will start by doing that. And I think the easiest way to remember how to do that is to see how pre-commit.ci installs it and then just do the same thing. I'm probably going to install it into a subdirectory and not globally. If I want to install it globally, I will set it up through Puppet at some point, but I don't think I need to do that for now. Exonity, hello. Rewriting pre-commit.ci in Rust. We're writing a little bit of it in Rust just to see what it's like. But yeah, welcome back, the Endless River. Good to see you again. Okay, so cargo home. We are going to do both of those. Wait, why does this end up in temp? I don't know. How do I want to do this? We're just gonna make a subdirectory and implement it in the subdirectory. Sure, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Nothing could go wrong with that. And bash. Actually, this would be a source script, so not user bin env bash, but bash nonetheless. And we need cargo home and we need rust up home. Cargo home equals with slash, I think we need to export this. With slash cargo, and what else we need? What else do we need? We need roost up home. Roost up home. With roost up. Yes, and then we need to do path, right? Yes. Ops rust cargo bin. What? Why? None of these make sense there. Oh, because we set this here. Oh, I see. Okay, so then we want path equals cargo home slash bin path. I think that's the environment variables we'll need for today. That's an interesting name of a shop there, Drunk Time Lord. 2/5 of the results of Rust City are on fire. Oh no, that's funny. I tried to use cargo behind a corporate proxy yesterday and gave up. How do Rust stack traces look? Is it easy to debug, or does it say segfault core dumped? I don't know. I don't know the answer there. Maybe we'll find out today. Yeah. Did somebody say Rust? We did, Supercuber. We did indeed say Roost. Roost has been said. .t.sh. Okay, so now we need to run this bad boy, which rust up version is 1.24.3, and rust arch is this. I don't know why that's, or it doesn't matter. Does not matter. That was fast. What are you? You're an ELF binary. Okay, well. Yeah, you know, download a random thing from the internet and then just run it. What could go wrong? Hey, what's up, Drunk? Hello. Debug? If it compiles, it's bug free, right? Yeah, exactly. Drink a game, every time anything says roost drink, you all are gonna die if you play that game. It's not gonna be a that's not gonna be a good strat there. Hey, what's up, Huckatos? Hello. Silly Bun says I'm trying not to drink today. Yeah, there we go. Why did I get the Unicode decode error? Because I haven't released the version that has the fix, I don't think. Yeah, that didn't upgrade anything. I guess we can do that. Bump patch. PyPI password. Oh, my password is Control V. Crazy. Okay, there we go. And now it'll do the non-UTF-8 error. Good call. Good call, Beldathis. Have you tried US::-1? Yeah, it turns into, well, I mean, it doesn't look like the flag here to me because my fonts suck apparently, but you Rust using Python? I mean, no, but yes, but no. Okay, I'm not gonna bother checksumming. We need to chmod plus x this thing, and then we need to run it with this. But Roost is going to be a version of Roost. What if we just do this? Is it gonna do the right thing? Oh, we need // yeah. Smiley, hello, why are you sad? What's wrong? What happened? Oh, you're from the Ukraine. Yes. That would be pretty understandable why you're sad. I hope you're safe. Yeah, that's rough. But welcome to the stream. Maybe you can seek some solace on Twitch. I don't know. Okay. Which cargo? We should have cargo now. Yay! We have cargo. Bin cargo. We can start doing what? Cargo init? Is that how we get started with this? Created binary application package. Called Y. Other updater periodic. Dependencies. Man, we're using last year's Rust? What's going on? Why can't we use 2022? You're using car-based Go? Yeah. Team says I'm here for Anthony, not for the chat. Oh. Okay, let's see. AUS SDK Roost. We are going to need the Dynamo SDK and the SQS SDK. Oh, I don't know why my brain was braining. But fucking our favorite library again. SDK Roost? Yes. You just installed 2 days ago Roost, so don't complain. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know why it says 2021, but sure. Sure. Okay. Create a new Roost project. Okay, we did that. Add dependencies to DynamoDB and Tokyo to your cargo got whatever. Okay. We need these apparently. We do at least need Dynamo, so that's good. Yeah, blah blah blah. Oh. Make a request using Dynamo. How do I get other ones? Is there SQS also? How do I? I'm just gonna guess that we can do this. And then what do I run? Cargo build, cargo install, cargo cult. Copy paste this thing. Main.roost. List tables. Okay, I guess we can do that. Sure. My width 4 is taking shape. I'm a true monster. How are you doing the are you doing stack frame jumping to find the block of code to run it in scope? Because width usually can't repeat a block. How are you doing that? Cargo go. Yeah. Copface dude says, Roost, why is everyone I watch streaming some amount of Rust? I mean, I've wanted to learn it for a while, but also, okay, let's meme, you know? That's the addition. That changes following the current pattern every 3 years. Oh, okay, interesting. What is the thing I need to do? Make a request. It doesn't tell me what to do. Cargo run. That seems to be doing something, perhaps. Downloading many megabytes of things. Not dropping frames? No, we're good. Henry says, Anthony writing not Python. We'll be back to Python in a bit. I just want to. This should be a quick and easy experiment. I have a few IDs, either frame jump and generate code objects, or simpler AST hackery method. Oh boy. I'm not dropping frames. I'm not dropping frames built on this. I'm just curious. Also, this is a lot. Jesus Christ, what the fuck? What? We're installing the goddamn world right now. Including hash brown. Jesus. Cargo run should be enough to run the code. Okay, well, we clicked that, but we'll see what happens. It's better than Node? Is it? We're installing 142 things. How many do we get for the AWS SDK here? We get 3 things for Python. In Node, it's only 14 packages. I don't know. I hate to say it, but I think Node might be winning here. Why did we get Hello World? Where did that come from? Oh, it's supposed to be source. What? Why did it not? Why did it not? Why is it doing this? What? Hello World is default code. Yeah, I know, but it's gone now. Does this build system suck? How is this supposed to work? Why didn't it rebuild? What kind of terrible build system is this? Are the cookies gone? Yeah, the cookies are gone. I have no self-control about this. They are actually gone today. Thanks for this, Self-Help Hub. Self-Help Hub. Welcome back. Good to see you again. You haven't rebuilt yet? What? Why does it not just rebuild by default? Rest up in it. How's it going, Breadstick? Good to see you again. I know Python has init.py. I thought they were gone yesterday. I mean, they weren't when I streamed, but they were after I streamed. The build system is pretty good. You just somehow broke it. Well, this bodes well. Hey, Shaz Robot. Thank you for the resub at 22 months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Why is it rebuilding everything again? Is it because I deleted Target? I removed the Target directory and now it has to do everything again? Yeah, somehow, I'm not super sold. This made almost a gig of shit for a teeny tiny, teeny tiny thing. Yeah, well, at least produces the right output now. Removing target is a big mistake. Well, it wasn't fucking working. I thought you were the programmer? Yeah. You deleted an entire company, yeah. Tarjay? Can you say that again? Yeah. I don't know, it's me trolling. It's like removing node modules? Okay, yeah, makes sense. But like, one of these is 10x the other one. Okay. But it does actually do the thing we wanted to do. So that's, I guess, something. So you're saying I'm supposed to be able to just do this and I don't know why I put a bang there. What am I doing? And cargo run, and it should put it there. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing it. I don't know why it worked this time. It didn't work before. Oh, a little confused there. Found some docs for your crate. Okay, so we want to do Dynamo. And we want to do scan. Oh, what is this thing? Like 0.8. Wait, it looks like nobody uses this. These are like tiny numbers. Like 50 people downloaded 080 yesterday. Am I reading those numbers right? I have like shitty packages on PyPI that get more downloads than that. Am I walking into spiders, chat? Oh, do not use this SDK for production workloads. Maybe I shouldn't do this? I don't know. Seems sketch, yeah. Run it until it runs? Yeah, I want to at least try something and get something working first, but also only 50 downloads has me concerned. Very concerned. Examples. Sure. List the tables. No, I want to scan. And list the items in a table. Perfect. That's what we want. Client.scan.table name into paginator.items.send.collect.await. That's quite the mouthful. Is this a lazy iterator? What's all this shit down here? Rajesh, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The dash package on npm has 23,000 installs. That's crazy. That's crazy. Someone has to be the first. Oh no. 20k is nothing. Yeah. I mean, if you look at like the package that I made last week, tag test pollution. Like this already has more downloads than the fucking AWS SDK does for Dynamo. Like this thing that literally I made for myself somehow has more downloads already. But if you look at some of like my popular things, like this has an absurd number of downloads. 4 million in the last month. That's crazy. This is also not the website I was thinking of. I think this is the one that's better. This one shows all time, right? Hey, nice. Yeah, this one is the one that I enjoy using more. It's weird when the version switched over that there was a spike in the old version. Kind of weird. Kind of weird. Anyway. Anyway. So I can do this. This is a result that is a vec. What are the underscores? Is that like auto? Hey, what's up, Hamdi? Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. I think this is what we want to do. And this will be installs. Roost? Yeah, we're trying a little bit of Roost today. Okay. I think this is like turning. Oh yeah, returning a result from main. Okay. Okay. Oh. Cannot be called on Impl Futures Core stream. Unpin due to unsatisfied trait bounds. I thought these error messages were supposed to be good. I'm probably missing a using or something. This one? Be my guess? Yeah, that's what this is right here. Read the green? Yeah. Or copy the example correctly rather than what I was doing. It still didn't work. Is the example just garbage? We have that. I literally copy pasted it, right? Undeclared crate or module Tokyo stream. Oh, that seems like a thing. Did I not follow the directions? Is this missing? Where's the cargo? Do I need another dependency? Jesus. That's not what we wanted. Yeah, apparently we need this thing. Yeah, I would have expected this to pull in the other thing. Yeah, we have it. It's here. What? 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 Private module. Well, I fucking copy paste it from the other thing. Okay, that seems to be working. I thought these error messages were supposed to be good. I mean, am I wrong? It's a pull some thought. Hello, hello. Hey, look at that. It did the thing. What is this shit? LLN. S-bool false. It's probably the weird dynamo types, right? Can you speak in English, Gamester? Make sure this is an okay message that I don't have to delete. Perfect. How is the keyboard? You can check out the video about it. I don't have the the command to detect other languages though. Do you see any coming REST web frameworks coming soon? I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not going to use any web frameworks in REST at the moment. Hey, what's up, Ahmad? Welcome, welcome. Those are your IP coordinates? What? No, these are just normal things. I thought there were 2 installs here, though. Where's the other one? Maybe there isn't? Oh, maybe yeah. No, this is right. S is sum, I guess? No, it's a string. This is Dynamo's weird types. L is a list, N is a number. This is I'm pretty sure Dynamo's way of representing those types. Because like when we saw this error up here, attribute value. Yeah. So it's string keys to attribute values. So these are attribute values, whatever the fuck that means. Bool false, yeah. It sounds pretty funny. It's weird DynamoDB JSON. Yeah, exactly. Do you need a French moderator? No. We just usually speak in English. Because I can't read French. So, yeah. Finally have your bot running locally on my computer so I can do top Vim bits. Nice. It's a doggy dog world. It's a little bone apple tea right there. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. I'll time them out if they don't. Okay. What are we doing with this? We have a. This is what we want to loop through the repos, repo. And we need to know their plan. Rooster cheer. Does I wonder what Vim does for this. Oh, it does highlight. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, how do I actually read these objects? Create item list tables. Put item query, sure. So this tells us just the whole item. What's the question mark for? Nullable? Oh, well, that's you'll love to see. Should we fix their link? I'll let someone in chat fix their link. I'm not gonna do it. I still don't get the Vim time remaining. If you donate a number of bits that ends in 51, then it forces my text editor to use Vim. That's the whole thing. My person doesn't know English and is using Google Translate to chat. Well, they're not translating to English, so I don't know what's going on there. Cafe says you maintain Flagate. I do indeed. This package seems like a bad idea all around. Red.rust. Yeah, exactly. Real rusty boys write all themselves, all the stuff themselves. Yeah. Lol, and Anthony scratching his head while highlighting the question mark. Comedic timing. Yeah. Oh, this looks terrible. This looks terrible. Why would somebody want this? Pinku, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I guess that's how you keep it strongly typed, though. Not weird. Where's the part where they actually retrieve parts out of the object? Here we go. Oh, no, this is insert. This is main. Waiting for the table to be ready. Oh, because it's doing a create table. I see. Vladimir, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. I like how they're like cloning into the item and then cloning into the item into the add item here. This seems wrong to me. Like double cloning this. I don't know them. What? What the fuck does this do? Is it not already a string? Casting static lifetime to a dynamic one. Stir versus string. Got it. Do I have a feeling we're not in Python anymore? Yeah. And you see rest bonk. Yeah, exactly. Oh, is this the whole like ampersand stir string thing that I've heard people complain about? Okay, what I'm quickly realizing is this is not going to be as straightforward as I thought it was going to be. Where's the retrieval? Query item. Query item. This is what I wanted to see. Oh, they just print the whole damn item again. Yeah, they just print the whole item. Which, which is a thing, I guess. I'm just gonna try some code and see what happens. And surely it will tell me what I want. Plan. There's no way that's going to work, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, it did work, kind of. I'm surprised. And they have a roadmap for intermediate coders. Reach the next level. No, just build projects. Adika says, one quick question, if I use Selenium in Go, is it faster than using it in JavaScript for the same exact thing? It should be about the same. It shouldn't really, most of the time in the difference between those would be in the CPU bits, and most of the time is spent in IO. That's a slow build. Yeah. 6 seconds for like 20 lines of code seems kind of kind of slow. Yeah, both you and the Endless River said that at the same time, Breadstick. Dean, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I wonder what the just like hello world is. I guess I could just do this. Does Rust use // comments? I don't know. I forgot this needs to still be there. Damn, 4 seconds for hello world? Four seconds for hello world? That's a little nutty. You have to recompile them each time? I would hope not. The whole thing about putting it in libraries and crates would be zoom zoom go fast. But found the libraries in cargo.toml. Yeah, but I didn't change any of them, so it shouldn't need to rebuild them, right? Hopefully. Right? I would hope. Griffenborg says, hey streamer, I'm a beginning programmer. Can you tell me what code review is and why people do it? I want to move fast and break things, and review does nothing but slow me down. How you doing, Griffenborg? Welcome back. Alright. Can I convert this directly to a string? Well, this is nullable. What happens if I do this? The following trait bounds were not satisfied. Hold on attribute value. How do I figure out what attribute value is supposed to be? Ah. STK DynamoDB source. Where does this possibly come from? Client? This looks awful. What the fuck? This looks awful. This looks like giant generated code. I'm gonna not look at that. It may be in their JSON serialization shit. Let mute array 453 equals object 63 dot. What the fuck? What the hell is this shit? What? Needs to be in model.rs? Okay. None of this is instilling confidence. It's definitely auto-generated, like 100%. Not every time, just relink them. Yeah, but the linking I feel like shouldn't be that slow. If you write code well the first time, then code review is fast. Why write code when I can be a manager who doesn't do any work but takes credit for it? No, this is not the one that we want. It's in a different model.rs, maybe? Loading this page is making my browser real sad. I don't fucking know. Why is everyone learning Rust? Isn't iron better? Yeah. Yeah. What's the matter now? I just want to be able to get just a plain string out of a nullable attribute value. Can you share the code quick? Yeah. I just want to get this as its plain string. Let's donate him some bits to make him not sad. Hey, what's up, Kahawa? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. I think the answer might be that I need to wait for this to be more stable and think about this some other day. Because I am down such a rabbit hole that we haven't even gotten the very basic thing working. I think Vim will help, yeah. I think that's the opposite of what is true. Try changing that to octotherp : ? I mean, I don't really care to print it per se. I'm trying to get it to the point where I can compare it against another string or null. Because essentially what I want to replace here is no, that's the wrong repo. This is what I want to replace. So I need to get to that eventually. Crafty Camera, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. This will be a quick experiment, he says, yeah. Like what I want to do is say eventually, you know, for list in item install or repos. I'm pretty sure I need a question mark there for some reason that I don't understand. Oops. There's no way this is going to work. Attribute value is not an iterator. Is it an iterator now? Question mark operator cannot be applied to type attribute value. Well, you know that's not right. How the fuck do I iterate through an attribute value? Because... Oops. I don't know how to do this in Vim. This is the slow-ass way. Someone is crying right now. Because if we look at this value here, we have this, which is what I want to unwrap. In and out 20-minute adventure. Yeah. Work says every time I try to switch from Python to C++ or Rust for AOC, I end up with gray hairs from trying to do something simple like read a string or an int from a text file. Yeah. Rust benefits a lot from a language server. Yeah, but I feel like I shouldn't need one. DynamoDB is a pain for statically typed language. Yeah. How's it going, Denny111? Good to see you in. .iter. .iter? That would be cool. I don't know why I did the Vim thing there. Not found. Does not work. Anything that goes to definition of attribute value? Yeah. We tried to find it in here. Really not very hard though. Substruct. That's pricing. I don't want all structs. I just want attribute value. Why is it in pricing? I don't think that's right. I don't think this is right. I think this is I think this is typical GitHub search. Did you know that GitHub search, if you have a file that's over 1,000 lines, it stops searching the file? It's just awesome. Love that. I wonder if Chrome does the same thing. Attribute value. Yeah, this is something else. Where does it come from? I wonder if Chrome's doing the same thing. No. I'll like clone the whole repo and find it that way. I expect something like as list.iter. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds like something that I would want. As list ?.iter. Method not found. Yeah, well, we'll see what happens if we can find things. Hey, what's up, Ollie? Hello, hello. I feel like IDEs are good for unfamiliar languages because you can control space. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But I feel like usually when I'm writing in an unfamiliar language, I don't even need that. Well, that's interesting. Where does the Rust one come from? Where does the Dynamo one come from? Oh, highlighter's mad. Line 6521 in model.rs? But we literally could not find it here. SDK DynamoDB 6521. Oh, it's an enum? Oh, that's why we couldn't find it. That's why we couldn't find it. But what do I do with this shit? .l? The impl block below. Oh. As bool. Oh. Do we want as L probably? As is L. As L. Oh. Oh. Trait from. Not implemented for error. Do we just put more question marks? No. Do I need to oh, I need to unwrap here? Okay, that at least gets us to the next part. But this is so gross. Why use rest instead of Python or something? Yeah, I would probably. I wanted to do it mostly for the memes. But I'm starting to see how much of a pain in the ass this simple task would be. And you know, MyPyC is probably my better choice than this, but I don't know. It's mostly IO, so it doesn't really matter. Do into iter instead. Yeah, because as l.unwrap.iter seems seems yeah, never mind. That doesn't work. Are you saying this? It appears to be doing the buildy linky thing now. Yeah, so we got a list here. Why does that look different than here? This looks like what I expect. Why did we get this here? That looks like a output list. That doesn't look right. Question mark tries to convert the error of the method call into the error of the enclosing function, and it failed. Oh, I see. Surely won't find problems in SQL Alchemy. Well, SQL Alchemy doesn't help for a document store. Unflower Juice, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Makes sense. I keep meaning to write Hello World in Rust. Maybe one day. I mean, Hello World isn't a problem, but doing all this annoying unwrapping is kind of a pain in the ass. Nice keyboard, thanks. Wanna learn more about it? You can do Bang keyboard. Flumsy says, I wanted to try Rust, but the most simple things took me like 5 times as long just to get it to compile, so I gave up on Rust, went back to Go. Yeah. I'm feeling that a little bit right here. Formatting, I mean, it's not just formatting though, I think, because like it should print this for each, it's a list of lists, so it should print WAT 3 times or whatever, but we're only printing it once, so this appears to be what it actually is supposed to do. Get 3 watts rather than 1 watt or 4 watts. This looks right. Bruno, hello, hello. Can you juice a sunflower? Welcome to the stream, Bruno FET. Hello, hello. Okay, I think we're giving up on Rust. This was a fun little experiment, but it will have to be for another day if I'm going to go down this rabbit hole, because this is just not fun. Rustex can head out. Well, thanks for stopping by. Into iter converts it to an iterator and iterates over an iterator. That's why it just prints out 1. Oh, you're too sober to use Rust. Yeah. I don't think that's it. I think it's the thing that I thought was simple is actually very complicated. And dealing with a beta SDK where half the docs are wrong is not something. I don't want to learn a giant auto-generated 50 download library. But yeah, that was fun. And I just freed up a gigabyte of disk space. Okay, let's work on thing instead that I wanted to do today, which is to finally do some, well, we have 2 choices. We can either try and speed up every run of pre-commit.ci by about a second, or we can start trying to implement Gitlab for pre-commit.ci. What would you want to see, chat? Where it says Gitlab. Oh, everyone wants Gitlab. Well then. Let me see what I started setting up before, I guess. We got 1 for speed up. Elfenrod wants speed up. What the fuck? What happened to Gitlab? Did they go all enterprisey shit? Where's their fucking login button? What is this? This is what I get for not using it for months. I think I made a thing for this. Use GitHub to log into GitLab. 2 M's. Okay, I made a group for this, but I don't remember what the point of this was. User icon in the top right? That's such a shit user experience. It's so bad. The tiny icon, yeah, exactly. The teeny tiny icon. Okay. So we need to figure out how to set up OAuth, I think. Where are you? Henceforth, you shall be known as the to-do destroyer. Then why the fuck is there a 1 here? What is this? To-do 1 empty. Oh, that's so obnoxious. What the fuck is this? These like tiny things are so infuriating. Hey, what's up, Krillian? Hello, hello. To done? I wish, but like, why is it this? Why is it this? All right, GitLab OAuth application. One of these 3 things is what I want. Configure GitLab as an OAuth 2 authentication identity provider. GitLab supports several ways of adding a new OAuth 2 application to an instance. User-owned applications, group-owned applications, instance-wide application. What? Speed up then. Oh no. How you doing, Cramp y'all? Okay, so we have to set up OAuth. God, I fucking hate setting up OAuth. Negative IQ viewer, welcome back. Good to see you again. What a pleasure to see a good language being used in stream. Rest for life. We just gave up on Rest. I'm sorry, but we're now on to other frustrating things like OAuth. Yeah, yikes. The timing there was oh, I should rechange the today. Then today, starting implementation of GitLab for pre-commit.ci. Good language changed like a ghost, yeah. It's true, it's true. Yoda Gang, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know which type I want here. I don't think I want instance-wide because I want this to work for public GitLab. I hate that GitLab, it's really hard to understand everything that's going on because they have their hosted product and their non-hosted product docs all intermingled and annoying like that. Well, you should just sign into GitLab using... No, I don't want that. I think I want a group-owned application. Add a new application for a group. Oh, how do I become a CI provider? Example CI system for GitLab. Surely someone else has done this, right? Problem is it's going to be hard to find this as a user versus as a provider. This is all just going to be like how to use GitLab CI, isn't it? GitLab third-party CI checks. Sure, something like that. GitLab integrations? These are the only things. You can't do anything other than Jenkins and Datadog. Fuck. This seems like it's gonna suck. That's why it's needed 142 packages for something even Node.js needs 14. Yeah, that was kind of wild. Python only needs 3. Maybe pipeline templates? Zebsnag says, I'm using pre-commit with AutoPepe, but I don't know why AutoPepe always fails without any output. Well, show me your what you're seeing. Copy and paste the whole output. Here's a template to follow. But almost certainly you're ignoring the slightly gray text that tells you exactly what's happening. Yeah, there it is. There it is. See this? See that? That is telling you exactly what happened. And presumably what's happening is you actually have 2 things that are producing that same output. You probably have one thing that's doing this and one thing that's undoing this. You probably have 2 hooks that have different worldviews of how something should be formatted. So you want to pick one or the other and not both, is usually the answer. Maybe Flagate? No, Flagate doesn't modify files. So it's something else. You'll have to paste the full output. Watch the video and then try. Otherwise, we're just guessing and wasting both of our times. Time's precious. Hey, it's a big LPT. Hello. But yeah, otherwise we're just guessing at your problem, and that's not productive for anyone. And guessing at problems often leads to people implementing the wrong solution for things. Or getting stuck on XY problem or something like that. Can I paste in Pastebin? Yeah, you can. Yeah, links are on. We're a programming channel, so links are pretty important here. Hey, what's up, Keller Marku? Hello. Welcome. Right, we were trying to figure out GitLab stuff, so I don't think it's gonna be this Jenkins thing. Maybe this one will be Maybe we want to make an integration? These docs are so bad. Oh. How to make a GitLab application. All this has me concerned. You didn't watch the video, did you? You've skipped watching the video. You've just gone straight to the thing. Okay, so you see how you have black? Black is a code formatter, and it decided to format things in this way. And then you ran AutoPepe, which is also a formatter, and decided to format them in a different way. You have 2 formatters. and they're both fighting with each other. Usually, if you pick black, you don't want any other formatter. You would get rid of AutoPip8. If you want AutoPip8, then you would get rid of black. You pick one or the other, not both. But you can see both of these tell you that files are being modified, and they're both they both disagree on how this module is supposed to be formatted. So I was able to figure out your problem, but you also didn't follow directions. What video? It's the one I linked above. The most important skill I've learned for software engineering. That one. Hey, what's up, Mindtooth? Hello, hello. Being able for GitLab to use an external service as part of its CI status check, you need the highest tier. Can I share the links? Yes, of course. The highest tier what? External status checks. Okay. Yeah, this makes sense. Yeah, this all still makes sense. Invoke an external API as part of the pipeline process. Well, it seems like a pain in the ass for the user. Presumably, I could automate this as part of the API. Status check widgets. Okay. I think this is all fine. This is helpful. Thank you for the link. You want a good meme Rust project? There's Hello World. Oh no. Oh no. Memory safe, blazing fast, configurable, minimal Hello World written in Rust, in a few lines of code with a few dependencies. Oh shit. God damn. 1,000 dependencies? Okay, yeah, this is totally meme level. Why did they have such stupid indentation? This has been validated independently and audited for safety. Holy shit. What the fuck? That's crazy. Oh yeah, you can't put Octothorpe's in the search for whatever reason. Have you seen the MyPy error? I did not scroll that far down. But no, I did not look at your MyPy error. You didn't ask me to fix that. Yeah. You also didn't read this README either. Yeah. Read the READMEs of the tools they're using, and they have the answers for those. My work has a special use case for pre-commit. Is it possible to make some hooks optional? Yes, you would use stages manual. The Git repo is available, run it, but otherwise skip it. No, that's not. The whole point is that everyone runs all the same tools always. They add the tiers relevant to their features next to their title in the doc. Oh, this? I see. Okay, yeah. But this is like the hosted one is also. I'm not paying for GitLab. I'm making a service that other people are using. So that's the goal here. Yeah. The README going over memory usage is great. Oh no. Oh no. I've seen mergebot to edit, or margebot to edit / comment on merge requests, but I'm not sure how it works with public GitLab. Yeah. Hub image should be 10 or 5. I would just do 5. Because there's only like 30 people in there. And top 10 would just be like everyone. 51, yeah. Right. Well, GitLab is helpfully telling me that I just signed in from a new browser. Cool. Thanks GitLab. Really appreciate that. Replit is savage. Oh no, what did they put on the Twitters? Java is so good at garbage collection, why doesn't it collect itself? It's not even that good of a joke. I lost my 2-factor for GitLab, so my account is now just gone since they don't do any way of account recovery. That sucks. I think that's an extremely old joke. Yeah, probably copy pasted from programmingdadjokes.com or something like that. Don't go to that website. I don't think it exists. Okay, so it sounds like I need to make an OAuth app. Then you log in and it configures your repos. Oh shit, what have I done? That's not what I want to do. What did I do? I opened it. Oh. What is going on? How do I exit out of this menu? Oh, here. Jesus Christ. Oh, is this what I... I love when they have 2 different collapsible menus and like all sorts of weird states that you can get into. Anyway. I don't know, I'm a zoomer. Probably as old as garbage collection? Yeah. Just make the damn browser wider, but then you guys can't read it. And it also doesn't... It's only when I get to here where I'm like pretty off screen that it's helpful for you guys. How do you get the code for a bank vault? You check out their branch. Oh no. Oh no, these are like pie jokes level jokes. Alright, I gotta go fill my water. I will do that real quick. I will be right back, and then we will try and set up an OAuth app for GitLab, I guess. But yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Is it responsive? Yes, but don't tell me anymore. Today should be giving up on things, Rust, GitLab, and counting. I mean, it's kind of true. I'm starting to think that GitLab's gonna be way more work than it's gonna be worth it. But oh, I don't have to deal with creds. Shit. Yeah, maybe this isn't a stream thing. Maybe I should have set up creds before doing this. But I'm gonna bookmark this page, so I think it is going to be useful. Bookmark. Where is the bookmark? Where's the menu? Oh, right. Bookmarks. Bookmark this tab. Done. Oh, it'll just chill out there. I could have just dragged it. What am I doing? Also, I don't need you anymore. Calendar. Oh, I have a stream calendar, don't I? That I just never update. Yeah, because we actually did a bunch of streams this week. Whoops. I think I need all these other links though. You got a shiny Palkia, nice, nice. The CNC language stands for cringe and CVE. Oh no. I didn't read the README. Let me read the README. How do I? Let me link me the repo again. This Twitch is not letting me. There it is. I want to read the README. Thank you, Fixter Jake. Depends on more C code than Rust code to compile. Because Rust is magically memory safe now, all C code is memory safe too. Just one library, as you can see the number list along the names. Wait, how did they do this while keeping it as being a 1? I'm actually, how did they do that? Usually it'll auto number. Oh, I see. They cheesed it. They cheesed it with divs. That's pretty funny. And then you read the COD, yeah. Hey, what's up, Jang-chan? Welcome back. 33 gigs? Only 2.5 hours? God damn. Due to the lightweightness of Rust, unlike node modules being fairly large, Rust manages compile caches sufficiently and stores them to storage to save compile times. Just 33 gig target folder. What? CPU usage is pretty minimal too. It's slower than Echo, but memory safety comes at a cost. We need to be memory Chad and Blazing Pure and Lightning based. Holy shit. Here are my takes on that matter. Rewrite, robust, and secure. Oh Christ. Okay, that's enough of that. Jangtron says, so what's to implement for GitLab? Like, what steps are needed to be done? A rough outline. That's what we're trying to figure out right now. I think what it looks like is create a GitLab app. I think this is OAuth 2. I don't really know. Then we need some sort of page to manage installed repos. GitHub does this part for us. So this is simulating GitHub's page. Then I need to make all the various services understand another VCS provider. And this page has to install a webhook on the individual repos, I think. And that's it. I say it. This also involves setting up GitLab login. And I don't know how GitLab does their like permissions model stuff. Like I think they're attached to users and then yeah, I don't know. And this involves basically knowing how to clone, and that's in auto updater and runner. I think that's it. And responding to GitLab webhook, which is just going to be the web repo. Pushing. Can we even do that? I don't know if we're going to be able to modify PRs. But I think that's roughly the outcome or the outline to make this happen. Hey, what's up, Whisper? Welcome back. But I think we were going to try and figure out what this is today. Apologetic XOXO. Hello, hello. Fix J says, even if I tried, I don't think I get a 33 gig target on a release build. That's actually impressive. Yeah. Just Member says, bit late to stream. What's up with ban Ansible lint? Oh, this year? So, oh, no, not that one I want. Ansible lint has pre-commit CI or pre-commit support, but it's really fucking slow. It takes forever to install for some reason. Oops, that'll work. And it never succeeds in pre-commit CI. So the idea would be just ban it. But I haven't done that yet. Install hooks. Yeah. This takes a really fucking long time to install, if I remember correctly. And takes a whole fuck ton of CPU while it's doing it. And on pre-commit CI, there's a pretty strict timeout for execution so that people don't abuse the system. Incoming 36-hour stream for GitLab support, yeah. Sarcastic Dante says, I heard Rust. Yeah, we tried playing and poking around with Rust. Trying to do what I thought was a very simple thing, but it turned out to be very not simple. But yeah, as you can see here, this is this is why I would want to ban Ansible lint, because it takes hella forever to install, because they do stupid things with their distributions. They don't distribute wheels because they broke their packaging at some point and support Python 2.6 or some shit, and so they can't force people to use a modern enough pip to fix their packaging issue. Yeah. Can't wait to see a rewrite of your infrastructure as code in Rust. I'm not rewriting the Terraform stuff. That's not happening. But yes, actually, Niram, I have tried to do that. Am I not going to be able to find it? Yeah, here it is. Currently, Ansible takes nearly 240 seconds on my machine to build from source. Yeah, and if we're installed from a wheel, it would save, 3 minutes and change. Oh, see, it finally finished. It's a little faster today, actually. Only taking 115 seconds. But yeah, duplicate of some issue. And I was like, hey, this is on our roadmap. Where can this be viewed? We don't. Essay. Where's the issue that they closed it as a duplicate of? Yeah, it's been 2 years. Can we do this finally? I don't know what their support cycle is. I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna ban them. It's easier. I have notification. Oh, we have the Vimbits rank. Wow, I didn't know that SQLite supported T-SQL over. You probably don't need to do this in the database engine. I would just select all of them. This query is never going to be, there's never going to be so many users that this is a slow query. You might be doing too much in the query here, is what I'm saying. Future proofing? Nah. If it ever becomes a performance issue, then we can do it in the database engine. I think it's going to be easier to read outside of the database engine. Yeah. I mean, it seems fine beyond that. Can we ban future proofing? No. What's Vim bits? So if anyone donates a number of bits that ends in 51, it forces me to use Vim for that number of minutes. What exactly turned out to be hard? I was making a Dynamo query, and the AWS SDK is like super beta, not really finished, and nobody uses it, and required just like 6 levels of unwrap to get just some basic data out of it. And the docs were kind of not existent. I don't know. My company's Ansible team is just now dropping Python 2. Yikes. You know why the reason it takes so long and so much CPU is just a Python project to check Ansible playbooks? Because it installs Ansible itself, and Ansible is just big giant, 1,000 Python file thing. I bet if we think it's probably this one. That might be a MyPy one though. Nope, this looks like Ansible. Yeah. There's like 11 megs of Python, which just takes forever to IC compile and other stuff. Yeah, that's why. Also, it would be too big. So even if it did succeed, it would immediately get kicked out. I suppose I could use enumerate. I would just sort, enumerate. Probably the easiest way to do it. I mean, it works in the query, so fuck it. I mean, fine. Why is everything capitalized? These are The column names shouldn't be capitalized. Everything else should be capitalized, though. The table name isn't capitalized either. Did you just capitalize everything because it didn't care? What are you using for the database? SQLite. I like the second query for rank because it deals with missing stuff better. Like, what I would do is just have one query that's just remove this. I would just have one query that gets all the data, just select stars. Like essentially, Twitch chatbot. Users, I would capitalize it like this as well. Like I would just have one query that does this, and then you have this data that you can sort and manipulate in Python. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Or at least how I would do it. With banned, you mean adding it to the default list of CI skip? Still wouldn't want to have... No, I mean, I would just make it fail fast and pre-commit.ci. I'm not going to influence how people use pre-commit. But pre-commit.ci, it causes it causes issues for the entire system, essentially. Mr. Singh, thank you for the resub at 7 months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Isn't SQL great? Everything gets capitalized anyway. GGB says I would type everything like. Oh, I guess that joke doesn't make sense unless you actually read it. But is it easier to match the username in Python or in the database? I mean, you would just... I mean, if I would base the code around what the chat rank one does. Which is just user rank by line type, which literally just computes everything, and if it matches, it's just a linear scan. Which the database is just going to do a linear scan too, so it's not really all that different. Yeah, we're poking at GitLab. We're trying to figure out all the things that I would need to do to make it possible. Or figure out enough to figure out whether it's not possible. I think it is possible, at least in a read-only capacity, but it seems like it's going to be a pain. Maybe I should play with some other CI system and see what it looks like. On GitLab. Do I have any GitLab repos? I have some like forks of stuff. New project. Is that not how this works? How do I make a new repo? Are repos called projects? New project / repository? That just takes me to the same page. Blank project? Why do these have to be different? Why? What? Why did I do that? Project development target. The fuck? Holy crap, this is so overwhelming. Oh. Every time I use GitLab, I'm reminded why I don't want to use GitLab. Like, I almost expect there to be like a deploy to Kubernetes button right here. like I'm sure it's in one of these tabs, right? Like a... Yeah, here we go. Why am I seeing my name in the SQLite query result? Oh, because you've donated Vimbits. Today on Twitch TV, very senior programmer tries to create a GitLab repo. Gets overwhelmed by options. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty true. What's a CI provider that's not Travis CI? Advair. I've used them before. GitLab. How do I? I'm pretty sure I already have an account. What could go wrong here? I do. But wait. Wait a second. I logged in with GitLab and it has my old GitHub project. That I'm pretty sure I deleted already. Pretty sure I got rid of Advair here because it was not working. No, it's still here. But why is it not built in a month? Well, I guess because I haven't committed in 26 days. January 31st. Is that the same as this? January 31st. Okay. I guess that exists still. New project on GitLab. And this one. Okay. And does that go into here and set up? That set up like webhooks in here somewhere. Apparently those are not on by default. Settings, here we go. Integrations? No, it's probably under webhooks. Webhooks? Oh, there's a token in plain text. Okay, so that's how that works, I guess. Is it sets up a webhook. Can these have secrets attached to them? They can. Okay. Cool. So I would want to put a secret in there rather than this. I actually don't think this is a secret. I think this is I think this is Advair's project ID, maybe? Doesn't really matter. I don't really care. Oh, and then you can hook up all this. So Advair did all this automatically. Okay. All seems reasonable. I mean, it is kind of a pain that I have to reinvent GitHub's page. Maybe I will... Because then I have to maintain 2 of them. Maybe I'll rewrite GitHub's page for GitHub as well if I can do better. 'Cause yeah, that might be nicer, but I don't know. Yeah, I connected with my GitLab account. Yeah, I don't really know what happened there. Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Are you saying WTF because your name is appearing there? Because you shared a GitLab repo with me years ago? Gotta record the network traffic and figure out what to do. Seems to be easier than their docs. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Banyar? Hello, hello. Can't see the webhooks being sent? Yeah. Maybe this will be your React project. In AppVer that I never used. So it's because it's not in AppVer. AppVer was just showing me the list of projects I could configure. Actually just going to delete this because I don't need it. I like how these are always like type the text below, and I always just copy paste. But yeah, it was doing for I test stuff set up in here still. Why are these still running AppVer? Why? Because they're just super old. Remove Travis and AppVer. Well then. Set up GitHub Actions a year ago. Whatever patch 2 was, probably removing AppVer a year ago. Okay, so maybe those ones are dead. But this one seems not dead. Like, what is it needing AppVer for? Oh look, it's Grainshirt. Hi Grainshirt. Why does it not just use GitHub Actions for this? It seems like it does. Why does it use both? Oh look, a pre-commit.ci PR that hasn't been merged in forever for some reason. Viren, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, well, I don't know why it ran AppVer here. Seems weird. Seems weird, unless these ones are all Linux. That's a lot of builds. That's a lot of builds. Yeah, these are all on Linux. I wonder if there's an issue about this. Or nope. Hold on. Don't care. 8 Bites walk into a bar. The bartender asks, "Can I get you anything?" "Yeah," replies the Bites. "Make us a double." Yeah. Realized I have the worst team for the electric gym. Infernape, Crobat, Stravia, and Palkia. Yeah, the electric gym is always tricky. Do you use Babby your current job? Yep. Use Babby everywhere. Everywhere that I would edit text. Okay. We recommend using an integration in preference to a webhook. Integrations enable you to make third-party applications. Oh, so we would use an integration instead of a webhook? How do you make another integration? How do I become one of these? Well, I guess I can't. Drone is, though. Do I have to, like, pay a bunch of money to be an integration? There are more than 20 integrations to integrate with. When you use pitch deck speak, but it doesn't sound all that impressive. We have at least 20! Christ. That's more than we had last year, yeah. Picture Jake says, and I'm calling my boss today, give my 2 weeks. Always hate doing that part, but I'm glad I'm out of here. Nice, nice. Well, congrats on that, and good luck on your next endeavor. Rookie numbers, yeah. Oh god, it's Ruby. How complicated is this? Code owners, half the fucking company. Let's not do that. Let's look at drone. Surely drone will be simpler, right? Most to Gitlab is Ruby? Yeah. Makes sense. Pass webhook. Push data validations. Reactively cached. Who knows what this magic is doing? This actually seems really straightforward. But at the same time, I feel like it's gonna be a pain to get something contributed here. But it does say contributions are welcome. Like, should I try and approach this from an integration perspective, or should I try and approach this from the webhook perspective? Reactively cached, actively sleeping, yeah. GitHub is Ruby too? Yes, GitHub is also a big chunk of Ruby. I can already see adding GitLab means writing a completely new service and then maintaining it with all the breakages GitLab introduced. Oh yeah, 100%. That's totally what it's going to be, which I'm not exactly looking forward to. But presumably, from what people have told me, there are many more people that are running GitLab that would be willing to pay money than those that are on GitHub. Yeah. Lively dormancy, yeah. Can't yield from an async function. Oh yeah, you can't yield from. Yeah. But you can loop and yield. It is an annoying intentional deficiency of yield from, which I don't really like. It doesn't really make sense to me. Zebasnaga says, any video explaining why we should use an underscore in the beginning of a py file? Yeah. Fuck. Not that one. Naming and underscores, that one. Underscores. Lamble says, how to find the code to contribute to? I mean, I found where I would, but it seems a little chicken and egg. Like, I wish I knew somebody that worked at GitLab. Turn complete URL to the build page. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that would work. Okay, so I think we would do it as webhooks. Even though I think it means more work for us, but it'll probably be a better user experience than whatever the fuck GitLab is doing here. GitLab is currently more enterprise stuff, yeah. Like self-hosted GitLabs. I'm not sure whether they would be self-hosted or not, but I think I could support either of them, assuming I do this right. You use GitLab at your company? Yeah. Thoughts on Azure DevOps? Like the CI system or the other parts of Azure DevOps? Because Azure DevOps is like a big thing. User experience plus GitLab, what? Yeah. Yeah, no, that's what I mean. Like not using the thing that GitLab made is gonna be a better user experience. Because like, look at this shit. Do you see this one on my to-do list? I don't. It's so annoying. I can't even just like clear it, please. What is this? What's new? Don't care. Go away. Just really obnoxious. I guess in general, I've only used their CI, which is basically just GitHub Actions, but slightly different. Sifk! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. You've done a lot on GitLab. Yeah, a lot that I don't want to do at all. Okay, so we are not an integration. We are just an OAuth app. So OAuth app GitLab. Allowing access to GitLab resources on a user's behalf. To be first registered via the profile applications page in your user's account. Why don't they just link this? Because it doesn't exist. Is the answer, I guess. Profile. I don't really trust that this is not going to show my creds, given what I know about GitLab. Oh yeah, sure as shit. Yeah, good thing I scrolled this off screen. Applications. Manage applications that can use GitLab as an OAuth provider. Okay. Oh. I can show this page. So I can make your applications. You don't have any applications, and then you have these ones. But who owns these applications is the other question. So what the fuck is GitLab pages? And why do I have CodeCov? Sorry about those. Okay, so applications that you can use GitHub as an OAuth provider and applications you've authorized. Add new application. Redirect URL. This is what we use for GitHub, so I guess we would do a similar thing. I can probably use this. GitLab. What am I doing? And actually, I'll probably just use that for now. Confidential. Enable only for confidential applications exclusively used by a trusted backend server. Enable only for confidential applications exclusively used by a trusted backend server that can securely store the client secret. Okay. expire access tokens. I think we don't want to do that. Access tokens expire in 2 hours, which means the integrations that use them must support generating new access tokens at least every 2 hours. Okay, no. I don't fucking know. I haven't used GitLab since college and my school had our own server. Yeah. And the GitLab API FML, I'll just throw my chair off the 10th floor balcony now. I just set up a self-hosted GitLab and do some CI stuff for a DevOps class a few months ago. To put it mildly, I did not have a good time. Oh no. GitLab CodeGov and Outlier owns those. Yeah, but I want to know, like, you know, I'm setting this up as a user owns this app, which seems sketch to me. Like, I know there's like groups in GitLab, and is there like group ownership? No. Tokens expire, your app will need to request a new GitLab challenge. Yeah. Page is like a shit version of read the docs /github.io. Yeah. Yeah. This is such a powerful scope, but I'm pretty sure I need that. I need these. Well, I don't need this one, presumably if I have this one. Wait, not using the API? Yeah, I think I need that. I think those are the scopes I need. I don't actually know. Usually Hi says, setting up DNS settings is always such a pain in the ass. Yeah. That's why I'm currently doing this. Because I used to have DNS that rerouted this properly, but I don't think I've had it working for a while. The user basically owns a client secret, not a lot more, in my understanding. Yeah. What's the operating cost for pre-commit.ci? It's like a couple $100 a month. Can't tell I'm forced to use GitLab, spend at least an hour a day fighting with it. Yeah. Yeah. And the last 3 hours getting HTTPS www to go to the root domain. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Linge? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. From Denmark. Yeah, like. Oh, actually, you've said it fewer times than I expect. But, oh, you changed. Before I used to say morning from Denmark, now you just say greetings from Denmark. What changed, Linge? It's a tradition, yeah. It's a good tradition. I approve. Love the variation, yeah. Got some capitalization here. Sometimes you spell greetings wrong. We got one high. You got some mornings up in here. It's not quite like time travelers logs. Oh right, they have some numbers at the end. Or time traveler is in Germany, it looks like. But hi handsome. Hello handsome. Good morning handsome. Sam Valis, how you doing? I'm Danish, you have the language overhead? Yeah, no, it makes sense. It makes sense. How many beers did you need to survive GitLab CI pain? We have not gotten through any of the GitLab CI pain yet. So I'm gonna need many a beers. Anthony Simp, yeah. My phone just got the starting in a few notification from Dixord. Oh, that sucks. Damn it, phone. We all call you handsome from now on. Time Traveler isn't wrong. Okay, but let's create this and see what it looks like. We can always, let's just call this dev0 since I'm probably going to rename it at some point. Okay, and presumably some of this stuff is secret, but that's fine, I guess. Greetings from Sinnoh. Confidential, yes. ADC, why no Dixord partner? Also ADC, haha, Dixord, yeah. Actually, I haven't checked in a while. I wonder if we're closer to partner. Server setting. Server settings. Where is partner program? Not currently eligible. What do I need? What do I need to be eligible? Stats. Partner program. Oh, we've met the average visitors, but not enough of you talk, apparently. Yeah, when you have 50 communicators on average. We have the number of visitors though, so we got a lot of lurkers. Also, we have reduced the number of communicators over the last couple of weeks. And slightly reduced the number of visitors too. We're close. We're close. We're close. But yeah, that's why I don't have Dixord partner. I actually have a few friends that work at Dixord. I could probably just be like, hey, you want to flip the bit for me? Leaking the ID is okay if not the secret. It's hidden by default. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, boys, spin up the bots. No, we're good. We're good. Fair. When I listen to learn, I don't talk much. Yeah, that makes sense. Virtual VN. Just this. Hey, we got Hello World working. Okay, cool. So now I need to put that secret there. Let's see. That's not necessarily secret from what I'm told. But this other one is. Oh, they look very similar. Sure you don't want to use Rust for this? No, we're good. This is just me poking around. I'll eventually put this into pre-commit.ci itself. But yeah. Why use back channels to flip a bit when you can wait for solar flares? Yeah. Dixard partner isn't really something that's special anymore after they remove the partner hoodie. Yeah, I mostly want it just so that I can have animated emotes without having to pay for whatever the fuck it's called. Yeah. CDE compilador. Hello, hello. Are we Anthony yet? What? Gotta gamify everything, including existing. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what's up, John C? Hello, hello. Anthony leaks tokens returns? I didn't leak a token. What are you talking about? We haven't leaked a token in a long time. Nitro, yeah, that's what it's called. Instrums, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. We partner Nitro is nice. Yeah, yeah. Nitro, aka the account hackbait. Yeah. Moomy. Fallen into the trap. Let's see. C4 line in F. Line rest equals line dot let's say no, it's K. Actually, we can just do. Right, and I have painful tab mode. What? What's acquired? It's a rest jug for supported things. Oh, I see. Are we rest now is the idea? Yeah. People that buy your account if you have special badges. Hey, what's up, hat guy? Hello, hello. What do you prefer between Flask versus Fast API for servers? I'll let you read the screen and think about it. I'll let you think about this one. What do you think? What do you think, hat guy? what do you think? Okay. Fast API? I'm not really sure. You've got to be trolling. You've got to be trolling. Right? Surely you're trolling. John Toscano, hello, hello. It's clearly Fast API, yeah, 100%. 6K is indented one too many spaces. You're right. You're right. Not free yet either. But thank you, Elfenrod. Appreciate that. Sweezy Man says, just joined. What trollage did I miss? So heck, I asked, do you prefer Flask or Fast API? And I was like, read the room, bro. And he's like, oh, well, clearly you like Fast API more. Bottle.py, obviously. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Hey, what's up, Fried Beef? But yeah, I got. Okay. So presumably we need the same thing here, but let's just do this. And presumably we'll have some sort of GitLab URL. How do we do this? Okay, we send them to this page. Authorize app ID. If string app ID. I realized I need to delete that. Redirect URI. We're gonna have to URL encode that. Fuck. Response type code state equals state requested. Holy shit! What is all this other fucking stuff? I don't need any of this. What happens if we remove that? Does that work? Actually, what if I just get rid of redirect URL too? Isn't it just going to use the default one? Or is this garbage? Garbage setup? Like, surely I don't need all these arguments. OAuth usually has reasonable defaults, right? What? Why did it not log me in? For fuck's sake. Why does it always have to do this to me? Is your Vim-Vets database using lowercase names? The schema is in that file. You can just find the schema in the file. Yeah, that's I don't know what the answer is. My guess is yes, they are lowercase, because that would be how I would name them, but at the same time, I'm not exactly sure. I mean, it doesn't answer the question so much. You use Flask right now, but have you ever used Fast API? It still answers the question. If I preferred Fast API, I would use Fast API. But I don't, so I don't. I don't think you need to have the response code if you don't want to use it. Yeah. What password manager do you use? I use Bitwarden, yeah. Is you're in the VM now? Yeah, I can't drag this off screen because it's inside the VM. Okay, so we apparently do need to have redirect URL. Good to know. Redirect you something. URL, URI, URI. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it, Bobby. $. Yeah, look at me knowing a few Vim things there. Slash Gitlab auth callback. What I want? Yes. Okay, let's try this again. Missing parameter response type. Really, you do need all of this shit. Oh, authorization flow. Let's go. I think you'll need to fill carefully the redirect URI because GitLab ensures the URI matches the application. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Box of Ninjas? Hello, hello. Usually Hi says I asked the same yesterday. Yeah. It's true, you did. Stuff is happening. It's true. Hey, what's up? It's Rama. Hello, hello. Progress. Yeah, Arcade J. Okay, so this should redirect back to my app. And it does. Flash dot request dot form? No. Dot get dot next, what is it called? Values, maybe? Args. Hey, there we go. Cool. So that's the code that we need to get. And actually, I think that's similar to what is happening over here. Oh, what if we had done deny? Try it again. Let's try the error case first. So now that I've authorized it, it's probably just going to redirect. Oh no, we can just do deny. Request.args. Should get error flash.request.args. Error access denied. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so we can basically get this same code here. It's actually going to look very similar. Cool. And I said hi to, hey, it's Rama. Hello again. The Joker, welcome back. Have you ever played around with DigitalOcean's app platform? I've been looking into it instead of Heroku. I've not done anything with DigitalOcean. I've done a few things with Heroku, but not enough to say that I know what I'm doing. I just do return flash.redirect flash.url for that for now. That way we can at least show that it works, but we'll use the same code that we used for this. This code's actually gonna look very similar, I think. Oh. Are you shifting away from GitHub? No, I'm just trying to get more customers. I would much rather use GitHub than anything else. GitLab is such a fucking pain in the ass. Heard okay things about DigitalOcean's app platform, but I haven't used it. But I use them for my general purpose web hosting since I run all my own containers and database stuff. Nice, nice. We're back to Babby. Bobby. Slash formation says, hello, I was wondering, what differentiates Babby from Envim? Literally everything. They are not related whatsoever. Except, I guess they are both text editors. It's about where their similarities end. Where are the Emacs people at? Whoa! Whoa, we got 2 in a row! We got 2 in a row! Yeah, that's a rarity. Hey, what's up, not big? Hello. Com points their editors with code highlighting. I guess that's also true. Welcome to the stream, not big. And thank you for the follow. Are you a tabs person? I think I answered this in an interview somewhere. Let's see. Where was that interview? Oh. We still have the command? Is it this one? Yeah. Oh, they cut the part about this. Maybe that was in a different thing that I did. But there's some interview that I did where somebody asked me, like, do you prefer tabs or spaces? And I was like, well, for years my text editor didn't even support a way to write tabs, like, at all. It's Saturday afternoon. Emacs user still in jail from last night. Welcome to the stream, Hazard. Hi. Hello, hello. It's such a personal question. Yeah. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Not big. Don't worry about it. We're just memeing. Can you share the link in chat? I literally copied it out of chat. It's like 3 messages above the stack. Wait, what is GNU? GNU is not Unix. I think that's what it stands for. I don't know. Yeah. Recursive acronym. PHP hypertext preprocessor. All the other is there a name for cyclic acronyms? Recursive acronyms? Maybe they're just called recursive acronyms. Yeah, but what is it? What isn't it? It's a state of mind. You have to eat toenails to be part of it. I don't fucking know. Magus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, what do I need to do to upgrade this? Get redirected with this? Yeah, that makes sense. With the authorization code returned to the previous request, you can request an access token. Okay. Wine is not an emulator? Oh. Spiral Double Helix says, did you know Twitch Prime support the good one? Support Anthony Writes Code? I mean, yes, you can subscribe with Twitch Prime. That is true. Do you have Twitch Prime, Spiral Double Helix? What's the negation of Unix? Is eating toenails vegan? Oh, Christ. Wait, is it happened 3 times? That's crazy. Is it broken? Is it always triggering right now? Did I remove the random on accident? Somebody type Linux in chat. Just because I'm curious. What do you need Gitlab for? I run a CI system. Man, the bot's been pretty spicy today. Usually it's pretty rare to trigger it. RKJ has been on the money there. Twice in a row for you. Weird. But yeah, I don't need GitLab, but I run a CI system and other people use GitLab and they want to pay me money if I can support GitLab. So I want to support GitLab is basically the answer. Fire Smiley, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so this is a fairly straightforward thing. Did I check the expire thing? I did. Let's not do that. Bitbucket support when? Yeah. Right. I need to fill up my water though. We're at that time, so I will be right back, and I will see you in a second. Then you'll be rolling in the cash. Man, no one fucking uses Bitbucket though. But yeah, I'll see you in a sec. All right, I'm back. You stole some SVN repos? Wait, does Bitbucket host SVN? That's kind of wild. Lumi says has been considering switching to Codebrick/Fossil as a more free open source alternative to GitHub, but it's too convenient to be on the same website as most other projects. Yeah. Yeah, I feel you there. I feel you. Okay, what is this request that we need to send? If we structure it like this, we do def API get OAuth token. What the fuck is code verifier? I think we just don't have one of those because I decided not to. Oh, there's some exception. I think this is actually indexed right now, but it'll be updated when we stick it into this. Does Bitbucket host anything? Yeah, it's a Patchload Pro. Hello, hello. Okay. Huh. So I already had this idea that you could log into multiple sites at the same time. Which is an interesting idea. Okay. We need to get the current user. But presumably after we have the API token, we can just start using it, right? But let's just try and make a request, see what happens. Request this URL and method equals post. Wait, yeah, why didn't we have to put the secret into here? Did I read this wrong? Yeah, wait. What do we use the secret for? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I should revoke this then. Because I thought you needed a secret to upgrade it, but I guess not. Ugh. Look at my face while I don't show GitLab showing my hooked up applications. Oh, I have not authorized it, so... Wait, we clicked through the screen, didn't we? Oh, maybe I never clicked the button. No, because we got a code back. Hmm. 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 Access tokens, maybe? No. Don't know. That's weird. Well, I'll just delete the app when we're done. But yeah, it seems weird to me that we don't have to send the secret through here. Like, what's the point of the client secret? Hey, Stu, just curious, what's your GitLab password? I don't have one. I don't have a GitLab password. I log in with my GitHub account. See, this one uses client secret. But what the fuck's the difference here? Authorization code flow. So I can optionally pass the client secret? The fuck? What the hell? This is shit. Why is it this way? Nicholas has redeemed standing desk toggle. Alright, we'll stand up. I got you. Empty string is his GitLab password? Yeah. When refreshing, you've already authenticated the refresh token. Oh, was I reading that wrong? Was I looking at the refresh workload? Yeah, but this doesn't have client secret. So this is the initial one. And yeah, the refresh one doesn't have it, but this does. This doesn't require the client secret. Which feels weird to me. This is the one that I'm more familiar with, where you pass it a client secret. But this is the same URL as the other one. And the same grant type. But like, I don't know why we don't have to pass the client secret there in the first one. What's the difference, and how do you tell it to not use one or the other? I'm gonna pass the client secret because that seems right to me. And then it would match what I do for GitHub. Although GitHub doesn't require you to pass the redirect URL or the grant type. I like how OAuth is standardized, but no one fucking follows the same things. It's all just, you know, whatever we're going to do. And we don't even need any special headers there. Yeah. Atomic Rooster, hello, bro. I'm doing my SQL connectivity. It's saying insertion there. I mean, it's not inserted into the MySQL table. Well, you're gonna have to supply more information than that. I can't see your screen. I was recently doing auth with Spotify API, and that was the same way. No need for client secret when refreshing. Oh, when refreshing, yeah, but we're just doing initial. Initials, I think you would need it. Auth2 has too many could do this options in it. It's frustrating as hell. Yeah. Is URL faster than requests? In theory, but it doesn't matter. That's not why I'm not using requests. What we need is a better standard that everyone follows. Yeah. Aquafunkalistic Booty Wrap says Auth2 a great idea in theory. Yeah, in practice it's just like fractal of implementations though. Like the theory is that, oh, I could use the same OAuth handler to handle both of these, but they're ever so slightly different. Okay, so actually it tells us the access token is. And we're not doing refresh tokens because fuck that. Because fuck that. The other interesting thing here is this uses a JWT to make a request, but this one does not. There's something weird going on here. Does this use the redirect URL? It does. So what's the difference between authorization code flow? The same as authorization code flow with PKCE. Oh, this is the like code challenge, code verifier thing. Okay. This is where you give the app a secret. Okay, this is the one that I want to use. This one's simpler. But we still have to do... Yeah, this is weird. This is weird! Okay, but I think this will get us our code, in theory. But yeah, now I understand, like, you would need to have my secret in order to convert this one, but you don't need to have the secret in order to convert the other one because you've done the verifier base 64 SHA-256 thing. I've updated PR. Okay, cool. Let us take a look at PR. You can waggle your Vim bits. Okay, what do we have here? Counter dict rows. Do you need this? Oh yeah, you totally do. Right, because it uses an iterable, not just a Wiktionary. Yep. Okay, yeah, he's good. This should maybe not be underscored. Maybe should be moved somewhere. Yeah. Other than that, it seems fine. Is the other chat rank? Is chat rank secret? Hey, what's up, Melky? Kapow! Chat rank isn't secret, so maybe Vimbit's rank shouldn't be secret. I don't know. It seems fine. Seems fine. Yeah, it seems alright. We should move this function though. Do you want to move it or do you want me to move it? Where do you want me to move it? Bot.data? No, I don't think it belongs in bot data. Like maybe it needs its own like bot ranking. Yeah, like maybe it just goes into its own bot / ranking or something. Everything Vimbits is secret. Yeah, well, most of those commands at the bottom are just like not really useful for other people. Kamikaze, hello, welcome, welcome. Big yawn. Yeah, I'm tired. I stayed up too late. I was watching Twitch, staying up way too fucking late. But yeah. New sign in from Gitlab. It's a IPv6 address. Oh no. Is this me? I don't know that I have IPv6. Yeah, no, that's wait. That says AT&T in Seattle. Does IPv6 to location not work the same way as other things? Can I Google what is my IPv6 address? Oh no, it's different. Do v6 addresses cycle quickly? Have I been compromised is my question. God damn it. That would be wild though, because my login is only through GitHub. I did get an email saying that somebody signed into my GitLab. Hang on a sec while I check my session. This Windows Ubuntu. Oh. Does this machine, does this VM have a different public v6 address? Is that a thing? Do you feel superior when you're using your standing desk? Not really. When should I use yield instead of return? When you want to make a generator. You said before you have 2 copies of the new Pokemon game. I wonder, do you dual wield 2 switches in your free time? Yes. Yes. So I have this one running right here right now. I closed it, but I have that one looking for space-time distortions, and I have one in my living room looking for space-time distortions. And whenever the alarm goes off, I go and play them. If it's in your /64, then it's most likely you. So it matches the first 1, 2, 3, 4 segments, but not the last 4 segments. Perl-6 I have config.me. Yeah, I don't want to just show Twitch chat my IP address. Swatch says, can I deploy on a cloud website that runs Selenium web drivers? Yeah, for sure. We used to do that at Yelp. I guess I can do that while not showing you my face. It feels really weird that my VM would have a different v6 address. Not resolve host. I guess I can just open this in the browser here. Yeah, that's really fucking weird. It has a different v6 address. That's really strange. Okay, well, not showing my face. You know what I meant. Not showing my screen. Hey, what's up, Eli? Hello, hello. Don't worry, we're backtracking your IP. Yeah. Zoom and enhance. It's been on the Mac usually? Yeah. Already got your IP. It's 127001. Fuck! Oh, that's my v4 IP. You're fine. You're fine. You can attack my v4 all day, Keller Marku. Go for it. I guess I just don't know much about IPv6, and that's definitely showing. Because I have the same v4 for both, but IPv6 doesn't have NAT, meaning every device has its own address. In theory, Stonkfish, yeah. You can have NAT with v6, but I think it's not necessary. I guess this is telling me that I don't have NAT. And so each physical device, although why is my VM show as a different physical device? Who needs v6 that's just NAT until the end of time? Yeah, I mean, NAT works well enough, right? What do you think of anonymous, if they're real or not? What do you mean? You like anonymous, the amorphous group that's really just shitty neckbeards on 4chan? Is that what you mean? Yeah, those people exist. They're not fake. But they're also not really organized. They're just a bunch of shit posters. We all know who the real hacker man is. Yeah, we do. Do we know? I'm in. Anthony's roommate, yeah. Yeah, who's that asshole? We got him. We're hacking now. 4i in range, 100. Print. Hello, I. Hacked. Flynn, thanks for the bits. Why do I hear boss music? Right? Show us the hacker man, yeah. Can't be hacking, not dark in your room? Oh, that's still not. Oh, that's really dark. Now we're hacking. Needs more green text on black background. This? I've almost got him. Spam tree, yeah. Yeah. It's like when the like phishing people go to slash and they run what is it? dir? What's the like recursive dir? dir-r? What's the thing that they use when they do phishing attacks? Dir recursive windows. dir/s, yeah. They'll be like, yeah, we're computing all of the data on your computer for you, so that we're gonna know that we're crunching all of the numbers of the return of the. Yeah, oh, we accidentally overpaid you. You're gonna have to go get me some Best Buy gift cards. Right? But yeah, anyway. Stop. That's enough. Pearl? Pac-Man? Oh god, what have I done? What have I stumbled upon here? He's getting into the mainframe. Yeah. Studio app to install C Matrix? Yeah, C Matrix. Yeah. Hey, what's up, MDS2? And Brainwash, good to see you again. Tree? Yeah, but Tree isn't a Windows thing. I was trying to remember the Windows one. Sir, can you see all the viruses in your PC? Yeah. Rip the video encoding? Oh yeah, true. FBI, open up. Did this become a scam baiting stream? Yeah, 100%. That's what we're doing today. We're scam baiting. What is going on? The hacker man has taken over. Has he hacked Russia yet? Yeah, let me go hack Russia real quick. Windows has tree? No, it doesn't. No way. Yeah, there's no tree here. Oh, what the fuck? Where did that come from? Wait. Type tree? Wait, how did that work? Where did that come from? Windows 100% has a tree? Where did it come from? Is it part of command? Is it a built-in? I don't actually know enough about inspecting parts of command. Mind blown, yeah, exactly. GCM tree? Well, that's probably PowerShell, right? Tree.com. Oh. Oh, it's old school as fuck. Got it. Got it. I see. I see. By the way, your file is moved now? Oh, sick. Sick. We can hack of the bot. Hack of the bot. Ooh. Sick. Let's do it. He got the sad cat. Why have you made this pull request? Are you even a 90s kid? Yeah? I was born in 91. Barely a 90s kid, to be honest. What's a .com file? It's a I don't remember the full explanation, but it's like the older exe format for Windows, like the MS-DOS era executables. Tree is the best way to hack someone. Just type tree, and while things are flying, you can type virus detected. Kappa cool. Yeah, no, that's what I was saying. Ma'am, your computer is infected. Please use macOS. Ugh. The amount of work for me to set up macOS right now would be a pain. I mean, I could. Let's see. Managed to get it though. I could go plug in the Mac Boyo. We can mirror. Or if I could actually get it where you could see something. Well, kind of. Oh, there's a browser window. There's the kitty cat. Yeah, you could actually mirror something with it. In the way. In the way. We can see it in the picture frame? Oh yeah, true. True. Upside down logo, the anti-Apple? Yeah. Why do you own this? Because I need a build machine, basically. Is that Pokemon on your left screen? No. No, I don't have Pokemon open at all right now. I have my email, which I can't show you. I could mostly show you. Can't show you. I have my email. I have the music. I have Stream Dashboard. I'm a hacker man that uses iTunes. And then I've got... Oh, you actually won't be able to see this because I have the new setting. I have, yeah, you can't see this at all. It's amazing. You can see when I right-click, though. You can see the right-click menu. But this is OBS. And your sunglasses. Oh yeah, I guess you can see it in the sunglasses. True. Oh, I missed Erdinch. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. All right, let's merge this and then pull and then run the commands. By the way, when you merge, I have another PR for you on the repo. Oh, okay. Bimbits rank. Ddels. 2 L's. I always fuck it up. Number 2, followed by silly or slightly behind silly buttons, right? Hey, look at that. Okay, now we reboot the bot. No more infinite OBS. Yeah, it's true. It's fixed. Bug Life coding stream. How's it going, Leonard SH? Welcome back to the hacker stream. Oh, the keyboard actually looks kind of funny in the like dark mode of my room. Could you imagine if I just streamed like this always? This would be such a depressing stream. Like, you can't even see the prushies. Where be prushies? Wow, Black Box is 5th. Amazing. Oh. Indigenous Navi says, hi, Anthony Writes Code. What book would you recommend for someone who wanted to start learning Python? You look like Roy Orbison. Oh boy, do we have to look up another person that someone says I look like? Roy Orbison. Hey, what? I look like Roy Orbison? Dude looks... Oh, they're dead. I look dead? God damn. Gotta say, I do not see the resemblance. I don't either. I don't know what you're talking about. But I don't read books, personally. But I do have a video, about my advice for getting started with programming in general. And you may be able to find other resources that I talk about there as well. I wouldn't take this as a compliment. Yeah. He's dead, but he's on Spotify. Oh no. How's it going, Kahawa? Oh, I already said hi to you, but hello again, Kahawa. Yeah. Anyway. Someone needs glasses. Okay, let's actually get this little demo app to log in and get an access token and see if that works now. You were having a joke. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, well. Okay, so let's click deny just to see that it works. Error equals access denied. Good. And let's log in for reals. Yep, totally worked. 100% worked. Oh, that's not what I want. I should have run Flake8 on my file first. The file name Jason. We do indeed need that. Oh right. You come from the request. Okay, let's try that again. Login. Authorize. Oh. Hey, we got an access token. Let's go. Sweet. Okay, it works. It works, it works. Hey, do we see Hipster? Yeah. Hey, what's up, Hedge? Hello, hello. Citrus is here. Oh no. Oh no. You've come at the worst time. Looking while I do some work. Hope your day is going well. It is indeed. It is indeed. Apple's OAuth documentation is so shit. Yeah. Yeah. Everyone's OAuth documentation is shit. But the login's working. Look at that. So in theory, we can start. How's this gonna work? How is this going to work? Okay, login service. What are you working on at the moment? Pre-commit.ci, indeed, indeed. Yeah, the cute carpet cosplayer emote. Yes, Citrusine frequently wears Pokemon onesies, including the same onesie that I have on stream. Okay, so log out. How are we gonna do this? All right, so I think presumably this ends up being ls service is equal to Gitlab. Otherwise, base. Folks, that's not the right URL. JSOR, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I heard you finally put your trust in Rust. We ruined that trust real quick. We spent like an hour fighting with the Dynamo client, and then I was like, this doesn't feel production ready yet. And they said don't use it in production, so I wasn't going to use it in production anyway. I've implemented Google Auth, which was fine. Yeah, I've done Google, I've done GitHub, I've done now Gitlab. I've also done what else? That's some really old OAuth stuff, but not in a long time. I don't remember what those were. But yes, OAuth. Seems like I re-implement the whole thing every single time. Just wrote a helper for user impersonation. Oh, that's helpful. So that it doesn't just say username. Cool. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. Looks good. Approve. Oh, we got the high five kitty this time. Yeah! Okay, I'm done being in the dark, chat. I'm gonna turn the lights back on. We can see the plushies again. Whew. The best one is the clapping kitty. Which one is that one? Trying to remember the URL. Oh, that's not it? Oh, right. So what is his GitHub handle? Chris, what is your GitHub handle? Why do I not remember? Oh, did I just spell it wrong? Oh, that's embarrassing. Don't tell Chris. Oh, here we go. Oh no! How do I disable this rule? How do I disable rules? Does anyone know how to disable rules? Anyway, here's the kitties. Which one do we want as the best one? What is our best one? The clapping kitty? This one? This one? I like this one because it's kind of like, okay, I guess it's a ship it. I guess that's okay. There's a lot of Maru in here though. You have to disable the whole thing? Yeah. Is that a pseudo MacBook? Yeah. And the Pikachus. I'm not gonna lie. This GIF right here, I didn't realize that the cat had like back legs for the longest time. I just like the illusion completely fooled me for years. Before I realized that yes, you can barely see some frames of back legs in here. I thought this was just like some crazy magical balance on cat. But yeah, and then we have the maybe ship it and the don't ship it. Which before I properly categorized these, I accidentally posted this on someone's code review at work. What the fuck are you doing? But yeah, anyway, ship it gifts. And if you want to know how it works, excuse me, what the fuck? And we have stop girl and stop sign girl and the opposite of the ship it please with the MS painted don't over the top. Oh, did that not work? FAQ cat? Yeah, there we go. But yeah, let me pull this. And we can do bot chat rank. Not found. Ooh, chat rank's getting kind of slow. Oh, it's still a second. Not too terribly slow. No one will notice that lag. Okay, but we need, this is our base. Query vars equals client ID. Oh, we also want to pass state along. Yeah. App ID. Thanks for the bits. Yeah, you've got what, 30 more to go to get to 69 Vim bits? Just a few, yeah. Redirect URI. Oh, this one I actually need to get out of creds. Oh, I have to sneeze. And it's gone. Wait, Beldathis is way... How is Beldathis way closer to the 69 Vim bits than Delspis? Oh wait, that's not how it works. Never mind. Not just adding one. Right. Because it's adding 51. Yeah. Okay, I understand. I know how math works. Sometimes. Lab app client ID. And response type is code. I feel like we're just copy pasting here, which is not great. But you know what? There's a finite number of resources or finite number of services, and this is only 2, so I don't feel so bad about this. Did they call it state here? Do they have a state here is the other question. State, the value should also be used as CSRO token. Well, we don't, but that is fine. We use state as a redirector, which I guess is a CSRF token in its own regards, but sure. Griffin, I don't know what you mean. Time traveler, how's it going? Right on. Do I still have the tab open? we were looking up user trends in logs. We got Hlinge saying greetings from Denmark, and we've got Time Traveler saying, oops, saying hello handsome. Okay. You can probably write this in a different way that's less, maybe easier to read. Like, have this be a flat if statement instead of a nested one. Oh, and actually, we could combine. Combine both of those. Am I free of them yet? So I was about to be like, I don't really want to figure out how to dedent this again. Yeah. I would write it like this, so let's at least be internally consistent with my own ideas. So if they're already logged in, we redirect back there. Otherwise, we figure out the params that we need there. Why do new lines don't take current indentation? This auto indent, I've not worked with auto indent where I've enjoyed the behavior that it does. I feel like they're all bad in their own different way, and you spend just as much time dedenting as you would spend indenting. So I just have no smart behavior on indent right now. But maybe one day I'll find an auto indent algorithm that I don't hate and that works well enough in the languages that I work in that I'll implement it for my text editor. But for now, it doesn't really make a difference. Have you tried Emacs? I have. But why would I use Emacs when I could use my own text editor? Silly question. Yeah, because I think for auto indent to be smart enough, it would have to know like when I want to de-indent, which I don't know that I would want to do that. Shepsel Money says, "Hey, I'm new. How come your keyboard is cut in half?" You can try the bang keyboard command. Oh, Elfenrod's gotcha. Okay, so we need both of those things now. There's not supposed to be a space here. He got mad and chopped it in half one day. I was just like, easier to eat when it's cut in half, yeah. Okay, time for a serious question. What's the best Pokemon region? What is the best Pokemon region? Let's see. I think I like Hoenn the most. Or at least I've spent the most time in Hoenn. Yeah. I feel like the cities are more memorable there. But I don't know. They're all about the same, to be honest. What the fuck is that? Oh no, it's gone. Did you see that? There was like a weird orange pixel up here. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay, so so Creds is gonna need to grow more stuff. Most of this is very GitHub specific at the moment. Well, that's the GitHub stuff. We're gonna also have GitLab app client ID. It's gonna be a callable which returns stir. We're gonna have a GitLab app redirect URI. Also callable to stir. Weird that I don't need that for GitHub, but I guess that's the difference in their two implementations. We're also going to need client secret. And I think that's all we need for login, is those 3 new creds. Indeed, there was a weird thingy with the 1527. Huh. Yeah. I don't know what's up with that. Oh well. Twitch.tv, clips.twitch.tv/create. Yeah, you definitely got the right URL there. Why are they all callables with no parameters? They are just getters, retrievers. Well, yeah, there is a weird pixel there. Huh. Oh. Yeah. Oh well, I guess we'll never know. But thanks for the clips. Or the clip. So yeah, the reason that they're set up like this is the actual backing implementation of this either retrieves it from in AWS, it retrieves it from AWS Secret Store. In local, it retrieves it from an M file. It potentially retrieves it from a whole bunch of other places. Don't believe me. I'm sorry about this. Terexo, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Or I guess it's Teresho. Wait, no. I don't know. How do you pronounce it? Welcome, welcome. And Anthony Raff. Whoops, I clicked on your name. I tried to open your stream. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I got it right on the first try. Okay, cool. By the way, pre-commit is love. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you enjoy it. It's definitely my baby. It's definitely what I've spent the most time on. We're, I guess, indirectly working on it right now. Problem is I have to set up these creds, and I don't really want to do that on stream. Yeah. Oops. Gitlab. So right now, if we add those and we run MyPy, it should be mad. Because it'll be like, what? You don't have GitLab set up at all. You haven't done this. You don't have GitLab session either. Yeah. Missing positional arguments. To GitLab app. Oh, yeah. Web impl AWS iFace creds. So we're gonna reorder these. GitLab app client ID. GitLab app client ID. Secret. Redirect URI. And this is just some unfortunate copy and paste that I hope to be able to get rid of one day. MyPy needs to support modules as protocols for this to work properly. Apparently I already have a Z. I'm gonna make a QQ directory instead. T.py. It's possible they've already implemented it and I just haven't been paying attention. F, which is going to be int to int. Welcome to the stream, mayonnaise. Hello. Programming, indeed. I don't know what you typed though. Project. Okay. PP equals T. I don't think this will work, but if it does, I would be very happy. We need to install MyPy. What? No, does it work now? Yo. Does it work? No, it doesn't work. I got excited. It doesn't work. Oh, maybe it does. Why did it think float was fine there? Floats aren't ints. Oh, I guess it's compatible. No, it's not. It should have errored there. Oh, wait, it errored for a different reason. Damn. Yeah, it doesn't check. It doesn't check this assignment here. Yeah, It allows assignment from types.module type to a protocol, even if it doesn't implement it. That's a bummer. Okay, never mind, doesn't work. I thought it did. If you want to allow list fluffy.cc, right click the uBlock origin, go to options. Options. And then go to my rules. My rules. No strict blocking. I already have that. I already have it and it doesn't appear to work. Oh, is the wrong keyboard layout? No, it's all good. It's all good. What are we checking MyPy against? I want to be able to use protocols to represent modules. So that, because that's what this is right here. This is just me copying a module into a class that has the same names as the module. And I'm really doing this just so I can have strict type checking, but multiple implementations. Caesar worked for me? Weird. Weird, I don't know why it didn't work for me. Oh, and did I say to Kamikaze? Thank you for the follow, welcome, welcome. But yeah, that's why I have these like weird hacky facade classes here. Module has no attribute. That, yep. Web, impl, AWS. Friends. We need to add. Yeah, that's a little bit of a hack. GitHub or Gitlab. Something in my house just fell. I don't know what it was. GitHub app Gitlab. Oh man, I'm gonna make that typo so many times. Secret and secret and so that should make my pie a little bit happier there. Missing positional arguments to the local implementation, which I might just get rid of because I haven't really used it since I haven't used it since I moved, which was like 9 months ago. So I don't think it's been useful for me and is worth maintaining, you know? Okay, so now we should get 4 errors. Secret and the secret and redirect. And then I have to actually populate them, which is going to be annoying. Okay. Hey, what's up, Petasnake? Puzzle, yes, I have puzzles. Oh, I haven't done a puzzle in a while. Oh, also, that link is wrong. So thank you for running that command, because now I need to fix something. Oh. What? Why does it get the wrong video link? Oh, because of my config file. Alright, you get to look at my face for a sec while I fix the config, because it's got creds in it. Hello. This my face. Puzzles. No. That works. Okay, cool. Now, you should be able to do the puzzle command, and it should give you the right GitHub link. Yes, I am the current primary maintainer of Flake 8 mayonnaise. That is indeed me. You details? Wait. Oh no, this is different. Oh, you didn't read my code review comments. This also doesn't test the code at all. This doesn't test anything. This is a pretty easy trap to fall down, though, where you're so caught up in testing a particular thing that you don't even realize that you're not even testing the actual behavior change. But actually, how did coverage pass on this? That's what's surprising to me. Yeah. Yeah. Also, this is the wrong number. How did that work before? Based on accident? Oh, I guess because the lower bits were right. It was executable. Weird. Anyway, that needs some fixing ups. Back to where we were. Perfect. Okay, so we also need to implement Gitlab session. Let's do that as well. And then I'll fill in the cred stuff offline because... So we'll have Gitlab, which will be a session or non-session. I make that typo so often. Does anyone else type the word session with 3 S's sometimes? Is that just a me problem? I think I'm going to follow the same data model, even though the GitLab model doesn't necessarily follow the GitHub model. You do type sessions with 3 S's? Okay, it's not just me then. I feel like I'm losing my mind whenever I do that. I like the song. This song's jams. Okay. We need equivalent of these, but for GitLab. A little bit of copy paste here. Let's see what we copy pasted and see if there's a way to make this slightly less better. Or slightly less bad. Slightly more better. More betterer. Here's session log. Oh, we're completely canceling the session. Got it. So that gets us log out. What's a mutable mapping? So a mapping is something that takes one value and produces another value. For instance, a dictionary is a mapping. This would be a mapping from str to int. And a mutable mapping is a mapping that can be changed. So for instance, a dictionary is a mutable mapping because you can add other things to it, or you can reassign things inside of it. So mutable mapping is a abstract description of the shape of a type that would support the mapping interface, but also the changeable mapping interface. But good question, Rowingba. Okay. So then we want session. Synaliples. Synaliples. Thank you. Thank you for the gifted subs. I always struggle with your name. I always forget how to say it. I always say cinnamon apples. What did you say? I didn't say anything wrong though. That's how it's spelled. Synaliples. But thank you for the gift subs. I appreciate that. Oh yes, right. As promised. As promised. Welcome to Subdim Strobel, Dolphy, Offglut, Pittisnake, Universe Squared, and Mahamti. Welcome, welcome. So why mutable mapping and not directly specified dict, asks Jengtron. So in this case, it's not always receiving a dict. Sometimes it is receiving a flask.session. In fact, it's almost always receiving a flask.session. And a flask.session isn't a dictionary because it modifies cookie state. But yes, otherwise I would use dict there. And there are other situations where you would want to pick one or the other. It is usually preferable to pick the least specific type for parameters and the most specific type for return values. That way you accept as many APIs as possible, but give your users back concrete types. And I plan to add a video about this at some point, but I haven't done that yet. And Citrus has subbed with Prime. Thank you for the sub, Citrus. Appreciate that. What was I gonna do? Oh, you told me how to fix the uBlock thing. Let me try that. Right click, options. So add here. Permanent rules, temporary rules, what's the difference? Can't edit these ones, so I want at. I'm cool now. You are cool now. You have a button now. i.fluffy.cc. Why is it red? Why is it mad? Why did it go away? That didn't seem to work. It's angry. My filters tab? Oh. Like that? So now if I go to this, and I turn it on and refresh. Hey, nice, cool, thank you, perfect. Perfect. Very interesting, thanks for explaining. Yeah, no problem. Opti, welcome back, good to see you. Have you seen the interview with Zuck yet? Asks Drupa. I have not. The alien man himself did another interview? Surprising. Can't returning a specific type also make changing the function in the future more difficult? The implementation changes significantly. Yes, it can. Yeah, potentially it does. So I guess it really depends on like what you want your interface to be there. And if you anticipate changing the underlying type, then yes, you would probably, your most specific type would be a still fairly generic type there. Is he cooking steaks? What? Smoked meats? I don't know anything about smoked meats or steaks. Stevie wonders why. Welcome. It's two aliens / robots talking. The interview is with Lex Friedman. I don't know who that is. Should I know who that is? Maybe. Session ID equals session.get key. Return ret. GitHub session. Now I did one S. I'm overcompensating. Actually, these should be more like this. Yeah. He's an MIT professor. He has a famous podcast. Oh, a good podcast, says Syllables. Interesting. Interviews a lot of top guns in the IT community. Interesting. Teaches and researches in AI. You mean he you mean he's a researcher of if statements? Running says, have you tried Fast API? Yes. I don't really like it. Because of its reliance on runtime typing. Which feels gross to me. But yes, I have tried it before. I am not using it here. As you can see. Okay, so MyPy should be happy now. What? What? Lex Friedman interviewed multiple times Space Karen. Wait, who's Space Karen, Ernyog? Also, welcome back. What do you mean by runtime typing? How do I explain this? It accesses type annotations at runtime and then does validation based on them. Rather than just leaving them to being static typing. Renatump, thank you for the follow. Welcome. It does significant metaprogramming that makes it really hard to debug. Is another way to put it. David J. Jackson, hello. What are you up to? I'm starting to slowly add GitLab support to pre-commit.ci is what we are trying to do today. We kind of got login sort of working, but not quite. Oh, return value expected 61. Oh, this should be. Sure. What? Yeah, no, I know that you made me Vim. You made me Vim. So Flask greater than Flask API? For me, that's what I prefer. But, you know, I know a lot of people that really like Fast API, and I'm completely okay with them using that, and I'm not going to tell them to do something otherwise. Yeah, I know. Vim with the arrow keys. Yeah, exactly. Fast API seems convenient, but also feels like it couples the layers too tightly. Yeah. The other thing that I am, I talk about this a lot, but if something puts fast in the name, it probably isn't. And even if it is, I don't trust it. Tiago says, any C++ gods around? What? I don't know, just ask your question. Maybe someone else can answer it. Fast Babby, yeah, exactly. Renatomp says, hey there, man. Props from Portugal. Welcome, welcome. First of all, how do you feel using that keyboard? I have to ask. A long time ago, I was about to buy one, but then I forgot the idea. I'm fine with the keyboard. If you want to learn more about it and like my review of it and all the other stuff, I have a video at the end of that link that you can check out. Fast API is as fast as React is reactive. Fast.com and shambles. I don't know what fast.com is. Flask has async support now? Yeah, it does. I'm also not using the async support. Partially because I think lambda is only synchronous. AWS, lambda, Python, async. I mean, you can probably run stuff with async IO run. Yeah. But like what's the point? Lambda's not really designed to be concurrent execution in that model. Best to come is Netflix speed testing. Oh, I see. I see. In theory, this passes the type checker now. It will fail at runtime. But I don't really want to work on the creds on stream. Because I haven't worked with that in a while, and I think I made it somewhat safe to run. And by somewhat safe, I definitely did not. Well, somewhat safe, yes, but did I actually implement it properly? No. GitLab app client ID. Oh, this is gonna be too long. No. Oh, maybe it's fine. So I need to run this script. AWS common. Make common. Local common. Try run. What could go wrong, right? Friends object has no GitHub app redirect UI. Yeah, that is indeed correct. I definitely typoed all of these. Good job, me. No such follower directory. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, so I don't have any of that set up. Chris.GitHub app. Yeah, thank you. I found it, but you also found it before me. Have you installed Windows 11 yet? Yes, I installed it and then I downgraded. Windows 11 does this annoying thing with taskbars at the bottom where you can't keep things ungrouped, and I use this to bounce around between you know, the windows that I use on stream, and yeah, it breaks my workflow, so I can't do that, unfortunately. this lined up again. Right. Oh no, there's 1 pixel. No, it's fine. Okay, we're good. No, just send GitHub secrets to GitLab. It'll be fine. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. But I need to populate this env file, which I don't think I have a way of doing right now. So I think I'm going to do that offline, and maybe we'll pick this up on Monday and continue working on this. That's probably going to wrap us up for today. We're also right around the 4-hour mark, which is usually about where I go get lunch and do other stuff anyway, so it seems like a good time for me. Stevie wonders why. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But let me do my little spiel, and then we'll go find some channel to raid. Sound good? Capiche? Capiche? All right. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to YouTube 3 times a week at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So you can check those out. Next week, we've got a video that y'all have been waiting for quite a while about test pollution. So look forward to that one showing up. But yeah, I upload those. If you want some good videos, I liked this one and this one. Those are 2 recent videos that I thought were pretty good. Nuru King, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Also, if you missed any part of the stream and you want to catch those, I upload my VODs to my 2nd channel, including the baking stream that we did on Wednesday, where I made some delicious cookies. So if you want to watch a baking stream, it's a bit of a different one. You can check that out as well. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce those streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I talk about what I'm going to do, and we tried to do this. Chat decided we skipped this, and we started working on this. So sometimes we do what we say. Kenny McCormick and Deganun, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I also announce my streams on the Discord, which you are all free to join and come hang out with us. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, but there's also a whole bunch of other fun social channels as well, where you can, you know, hang out with us and chit chat as we do. But yeah. Thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.